Hello and welcome. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this short presentation about this exciting program called FORMAT. FORMAT, as the name says, is how to get informed, in shape, to make informed decisions when it comes to investing wisely in real estate. FORMAT is a system that has 6 elements, 6 essential elements that every single investor needs to have in order to be in shape. For example, if you're going to run a race, marathon, you need to get in shape, you need to get informed, have the best form possible to be able to participate and enjoy that race. The same with real estate. If you're going to invest, then you need to get informed to invest wisely with relevant information. And that's why we have created this program to help us be in the best form possible to make the best decisions when it comes to investing in real estate. In real estate, there are 3 key elements that start with the letter P as profit. The first one is people. The people are the most important asset in a real estate investment. The people that are going to help us find the properties, evaluate the properties, take care of the properties, close the properties, sell the properties. So the people are the most important asset. Therefore, we have to be informed, and they have to be also in the best form possible to be able to collaborate and helping us make smart decisions. So there are a lot of people involved in a real estate transaction. We just have to know the 6 key people that we need to have in there: the real estate person, the attorney, the accountant, title company, inspectors, and insurance. And all that, once we acquire the property, is the property management. The second letter P is for the properties or the projects. The same as the people, they have to be informed. We have to have very well defined the purpose of that property. If it's going to be a flip, if it's going to be a cash flow, what is it going to require financially? What is it going to require operationally? What is it going to require in order to give the return? So we have to put that property in form as well, in the best form possible, either to sell or to rent. And the third letter P is really the process to connect the people with the product or the property. And that process is called format. Format is a process, is a system that allows us to get and stay in the best form possible in order to make intelligent decisions with relevant information and a team that will help us acquire the properties according to our investment strategy. The 6 letters that makes format are FORMAT. The letter F is for financial systems and strategies. We focus during the first module on understanding our financials and getting you in the best financial form with budgets, with predictions, and how to organize your financials. The second letter is the letter O for opportunities. We all have great opportunities, but not all opportunities are the same for everyone. So once we have our financials in order, we look at opportunities and decide what type of opportunity is this a good opportunity or not? But in order to make that decision, we have to go to the third module, which is the letter R. And the letter R is for return on investment and risk on the investment. It is important that we evaluate not only the return on investment, but also the risk that that investment has. So now we have the first 3 letters of format, FOR, our financials, our opportunity, and evaluating the return and the risk. That is what for. The fourth element is the letter M. The letter M stands for markets. The markets were these opportunities that give us this return and this risk, and with this financial advantage, we can acquire. What type of market is it? Is it a growing market, declining market, a stable market, rental market? The fifth element of format is the letter A, and that is for acquisitions. Once we have our financials in order, we have an opportunity that we evaluate the return and the risk and know what market, what specific market are we going to invest. Then it comes to, we want it. We want to acquire this property. What is the best way, the best form to acquire the property? As an individual person, as a corporation, collectively? How are we going to acquire that property according to our strategy? Once we finish that part, the last element is the letter T, and that is extremely important. T stands for teamwork and timing. Timing is everything in real estate investment. And the people, the team that we put together is the one that is going to help us maximize the return on timing. Remember that an opportunity is here today and can be gone tomorrow. Or if we wait too long, it could lose value or gain value. So timing is extremely important, and the team that we have together is going to help us take advantage and maximize the value of our time as well. So those are the 6 elements that make format. Therefore, we invite you to invest in your most valuable asset, your knowledge, your skills, and put together your team to make informed decisions before you purchase the property. Just remember that there is a big difference between investing and purchasing. Investing is taking the time to learn, to build a team, to develop your knowledge and your skills, your abilities. And purchasing is simply going to a title company with a check and receiving a title. So I invite you to invest wisely in the most valuable asset, your knowledge, your skills. And I look forward to being of service to you and share my experience and my knowledge so we all can be in better form to make better decisions and acquire better properties. Thank you very much.